welcome back to my channel. Welcome. My name is Arielle, and in today's video I have something really exciting. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Fear of God sweatshirt. I don't know if you guys know what Fear of God is. It's just this really cool streetwear hype beast brand, and I've been following them for quite a while, and I love their clothing items, and I've always wanted to get a piece from this company, but honestly it sells out so fast, like all the time, anywhere you can get it. Like every time I would try and like look for it or get it, it'd be sold out. The only two places I know that sell them that ship to Canada is Ssense.com and pacsun. And I know pacsun had a drop like a month ago or so, but that was basically almost impossible to get. And then Ssense has it on their website currently. I'm not sure if it's completely sold out. I will definitely link it down below for you guys so you guys can check it out and see if you guys can still get your hands on something. But like I was saying, I've been wanting one of these items for forever, so I thought I would do a little video unboxing of my reaction of what the item looks like and put it on for you guys and tell you guys what I think about the sizing and the fit of the sweater. I have the box right here. I'm not going to show this side because it has my address on it, but it basically came in this box from here, and I ordered it from Sense.com. I already cut up the like opening right here. Okay, so when you open the box, it has tissue paper on it, and then you can kind of see the essentials on it right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab this part out. Throw that down there. Okay, so let's just take it out of all this tissue paper. Alright, so this is the bag it comes in. It says essentials. Well, the sweater is the essentials in the bag, and then I don't know if you guys can see it, it says in yellow. You probably won't be able to see it. Yeah, it says in yellow on here, essentials Fear of God. So yeah, it just comes in this big bag right here, and I ended up getting this in a medium. All of their stuff is unisex, so depending on what size you normally wear, you might need to size down, because on their website they obviously have men and women, but it's the exact same size for men and women. So I heard that they do their stuff a little bit oversized, so that's something that you need to factor in if you are going to be getting an item from this company. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I feel like my camera is gonna overexpose it, but this is what it looks like. It just says essentials right on the front of it, and you guys, it's so soft. It's like this nice cream color. I really like it. Okay, so let's talk about the details on the sweater. So on the front it says essentials, obviously. I know some of their other sweaters it said on the back, but this one says it on the front, and that's kind of what I liked about it. On the front of the sweater it has the essentials logo on it, and it's kind of in this like rubbery material, like it's raised. I'm not quite sure what that is, but it feels like almost like a rubber kind of plasticky material. And then on the sleeve, I think it's heat pressed on it, if I'm right. I'm pretty sure it's a heat pressed stencil on there. And then the back, so the hood right here says essentials on it as well, and I think this is gonna fit perfectly. I really like the fit of this sweater. I think that if I had sized up to a large, it would have been probably okay, but it would have been more oversized than I would have liked it to be. I think the medium is just like the perfect fit for me. It's not too big, not too small. So overall, I'm super happy with this item. I'm like over the moon. I've been waiting for this for so long, and they have other colors in this also. So if you're not somebody who wants the white one, they have black, and then they had like this like beigey cream like blend sweater. And they don't only have hoodies, they have crew necks as well. So that's something to think about if this is something you're interested in. I decided to get the hoodie because I don't know, I just wanted something a little bit different. I don't have as many hoodies as crew necks in my collection of clothing. So yeah, that is all for this video. I just wanted to do a quick little video kind of explaining the item and what I thought about it and the quality. And I highly recommend, if this is something you've been wanting for a long time like I have, definitely go out and get it. It's definitely worth the amount that you're paying for it. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and also turn on your post notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. Also, make sure to follow me on my Instagram. I always have it linked in my description box down below. I like to post content on there. And yeah, that's everything for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!